In building and maintaining a successful supply chain, vital relationships must be developed and carefully nurtured.
Supply chain relationship management is important as it refers to the management of the people and the interconnected relationships within the supply chain.
There are various internal and external stakeholders in the supply chain, such as customers, suppliers, unions, employees, shareholders, directors, and so forth. Thus, the effective management of stakeholder relations should be an essential focus.
Any two or more companies dependent on one another to supply goods or services to an end customer are able to collaborate and partner up. There are steps that can be followed to manage these stakeholder relationships, which include 1. Identifying the stakeholder, 2. Prioritizing the stakeholder, and 3. Creating action plans to maintain these relationships.
Some tips to build and manage stakeholder relationships are: research and know your stakeholders. Meet them in person. Focus on communication. Address issues as they arise to build trust, and so forth.
Healthy stakeholder relationships reap many rewards, such as added support to the business, all-round better understanding of goals, open communication, free resources, cost saving, to name but a few. Suppliers are therefore an important part of the supply chain, and these relationships need to be managed. This is where supplier relationship management comes into it.
Supplier relationship management is defined as an approach to supplier evaluation, selection, and ongoing relationship management with the objective of cutting the costs of goods and services and boosting our company's profits. In order for a supply chain to be efficient, a good technology system should be in place.
Reliable IT systems play an important role in reducing costs in the supply chain by providing important information such as how much inventory has been sold, what the profit margins are on a product, customer order information, and so forth.
Some tools that can be used for the data that is exchanged and integration are EDI, or electronic data interchange, online trading, also known as e-commerce, and intranets and extranets.
In order for the integration between trade partners to work, stakeholders must be part of the decision-making process and have visibility throughout the supply chain.
Information that is shared can range from inventory levels to sales information and order status for tracking and tracing.
And this information is shared throughout the integrated systems using reports, dashboards, and so forth. So you see, a successful supply chain is made up of a complex range of links between layers of stakeholders. And without sharing data and using effective technology, these links will be difficult to maintain and grow.